Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate tea light candles with washi tape. To start with, measure the depth of your tea light candle. This washi tape I've chosen to use is the same depth as the tea light candle itself, so it'll wrap around the candle neatly without me having to trim any edges. Most washi tapes are self-adhesive, so you shouldn't need any glue. Make sure the tape overlaps slightly and then trim neatly. Your decorated tea light candle is now complete. The depth of this tea light candle is only 1 centimetre. This washi tape measures 1.5 centimetres, so I'm going to have to cut it down to size. Wrap a piece of string around the tea light, which will give you an idea of what length of washi tape you need. Measure your washi tape using your string as a guide, but leave a little extra on each end so you can overlap. The pattern in the centre of this washi tape is exactly 1 centimetre, so I'm going to have to cut a little off each edge. The washi tape is now the correct size for the tea light. Your tea light candles are now finished and ready to be displayed. I hope you've enjoyed this mini tutorial. Thank you for watching.